Pag-aralan ng wasto, panatiling sariwang hangin.
Hello everyone. Ano po itong update ng DNR EMB? EMB Memorandum Circular 2025-002. Ito pong Memorandum Circular 2025-002, sinasabi na lahat po ng trainings for pollution control officers and managing heads must be conducted primarily through face-to-face sessions. So sa mga nagtatanong ng kung may online training pa ba, so halos lahat ng PCO training provider, managing head training provider, wala ng online course na ino-offer, puro na face-to-face session. So the AMB Memorandum Circular 2025-002 updates the previous regulation, the Memorandum Circular 2020-29. And as for me, the Memorandum Circular 2025-002, shifting away from or strictly limiting online, fully virtual, or asynchronous trainings. So lahat na face-to-face ang PCO training at managing head training, wala nang online. So ang key aspects ng memorandum circular na ito, face-to-face training is required for all PCO and managing head training programs to ensure hands-on, practical, and industry-focused learning. So lahat ng training institutions nakatanggap na yan ng communication from EMB na nire-revoke tayo mga online schedule ng training. Kaya face-to-face training na lahat ang available na schedule. May exceptions ba dito sa memorandum circular? Sabi sa memorandum circular na ito, online or virtual modalities are only permitted under specific exceptional circumstances such as force majeure events and subject to prior approval and documentation. So kaya yung mga training provider magsisik ng approval din in offering online or virtual modalities. At saka yung proper documentation nito kasi gagamitin yung certificate for PCO accreditation application. Alam naman sa mga opisina ng region na face-to-face na bakit may nagsasubmit ng online. Kaya medyo mahirap na itong pag-o-offer ng online kasi subject to prior approval and documentation. So hindi sinabi na nawala, na ano lang siya na shift, na limit yung mixed or hybrid setups may be allowed but yun na nga, still require proper justification to the EMB. Di na siya halos pwede. At ikaw man, di ka man mag i-invest ng time, money, and energy sa mga online training kasi baka magkaroon ka ng problema sa pag-apply mo ng accreditation. So, pipiliin mo na lang talaga yung primary mode of training face-to-face. Kaya lang yung mga question about magkano ba ang layo. So, wala na tayo dyan kasi lumabas na tayo dito sa mga online training. Nasa face-to-face training na talaga tayo. So, the circular affects accredited training organization or training institution which must now align the 40-hour basic PCO training kahit pa yung mga specialized training. Yung regular, may mga special training pa sila. in-house. Ganun din yung mga managing head training. Dapat lahat ng yan ay face-to-face format or session. So that is Memorandum Circular 2025-002.